Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can put TikTok videos in slow motion on your phone. And this is actually quite simple. All you need to do is open TikTok and then find the video. I'll do it with this one and then click on save video right there. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also click on the share icon and then copy the link. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to Google and then search for slow-mo video. Once you've done that, scroll down until you find this website, Easy GIF, right there. Now click on it, and you can then choose the file that you just saved or paste the video URL. So I'll just paste the video URL right there, and then click on Upload Video. Okay, so in this case, they're not able to do it. In that case, I suggest clicking on Choose File. Next up, click on the file and then click Upload Video. Now this should work. Yes, there we go. Okay, so you can then choose to slow this down by 50% basically. And you can also keep the original sound or change the speed for sound. I recommend doing that so that the sound fits the video as well. And then click on Change Video Speed. It's then going to render that video. And then right there, you'll see your video. Click on the three dots and then click on download. If I just play it, you'll see that it's in slow motion. So that's how you can put a TikTok video in slow motion. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.